healthy. There's no non-sticks, there's no chemicals, there's nothing.
Yeah, even the pot is the sand pot. Ooh, that's what we used when our ancestors used to cook, and they lived to 200 years. I don't know why it was only 200 years, but
because after 200 years, all the non-sticks and chemicals came by. That's why. Yeah, that's a good thing.
why?
Barnacle. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do something a little bit different. My best friend,
No!
she doesn't want to come in, is going to cook for me today, and I can't wait to try. We're going to make some chapati and some egg curry. Subscribe to this channel if you like my dancing.
Oh,
You like my dancing? Yes, you do.
no, they don't. It's not a dance.
Yes, they do.
It's like a rat stealing some cheese and running away.
Oh yeah, I love some cheese. It'll be the first time I'm ever trying this meal today. I always try to make curry at home, but it's always a disaster, so I just stay away from that. I just make chicken korma, and that is just only because it's already made in a tin, and I just have to just fry some onions and just put it in there.
That ready-made one.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you actually know how to make chicken korma. I was thinking it's the same way, but you need to add in coconuts.
Yeah. Okay, to start off the curry, you're going to need some green pepper, some onions, some tomatoes, and some ginger and garlic paste over here. We're gonna grind all these together. Oh, when you blend it, make sure you don't add any water to it, because I don't know why.
The tomato and onion has water itself.
Oh, yeah,
So you wouldn't be needing much.
yeah, what she said. Everything. Just follow the other voice in here.
Oil, just normal sunflower oil. And now I'm gonna add in some whole spices, which is cinnamon, bay leaf, cloves, black cardamom, fenugreek seed, and a black jeera. It has to cook for a bit. Now I'm gonna add our mixture, which we grinded the first. I'm gonna add in the mixture. You can add in a bit more, a tablespoon salt. We're gonna add more salt later, but this is just for the onion. Let it cover and cook for 5 minutes in a medium flame. Yep, it's cooked a bit. You can see it has left some water, and now we're gonna add the masalas, which is a tablespoon of coriander powder, a tablespoon of, actually 1.5 tablespoon of a chili powder. It depends on how hot your chili is. Mine is not that much, so if it's spicy you can add it. And a 1/2 tablespoon of garam masala. And you're gonna mix all together. Now we're gonna close it and let it come to a nice boil. The curry is almost ready. You can see the oil out. I'm just gonna add in a few curry leaves, and then that's it. And now I'm gonna add in the eggs. I've just split the eggs into 4 parts, and then I'm just gonna add it. Put in a slow flame, cover and cook for 10 minutes. That's it. It's gonna be ready, so I'm so hungry. Me too.
Okay, so in here we've got some 2 cups of wheat flour or chapati flour, and I have a tablespoon of salt, tablespoon in there of salt,
And a bit of oil.
and a bit of oil. So probably, yeah, a bit of oil, not a lot.
Now mix all this together.
Yeah. Warm your
everywhere.
water before you use it.
Around 1 minute.
For 1 minute in the microwave before
I'll
you
tell
use it.
you how much water in the end.
Oh.
We have grinded the chapati flour. It has to be that soft. And now we're going to just put little oil on top of the flour so it don't get dried. Just a little all the way. And now we can cover it. And it has to rest at least 10 to 15 minutes. Done. Well, I have rolled it. It's not too thick, not too thin. I'm gonna put them in the pan. This is a traditional sand pan. Once you can see a small bubbles, you can turn them to the other side. And then the other side has to cook more. And once this is cooked, you can see the spots. Once that's done, we can just take and put them straight in the gas.
Now we finished. The food is ready now, and I'm going to have a taste. Taste. Oh, how do you do this? You just rip it?
Just rip the chapati, curry and egg.
This is just rip the chapati. This is chapati. It's very healthy stuff. And then
A little bit egg and a little bit curry.
My mouth is so watery. Normally I would invite you, but I'm so hungry, so please make your own. Just watch the
You need
video
to
and
take
make
like
it.
this.
And make you.
No, yeah. Like, look. Like this.
Oh my god. So just like
Yes.
like this.
That's right. But like
I need to
this.
try more because I didn't taste it first time.
You need to show your face.
No.
Yeah, for your reaction.
No. There's so many spices, healthy spices used in here. Yeah, literally you can eat as much as you want,
Yeah.
and you won't be sick because it's so healthy.
Even the pot I cooked, it's a sand pot,
Yeah,
which is healthy. There's no non-sticks, there's no chemicals, there's nothing.
yeah. Even the pot is the sand pot. Ooh, that's what we used when our ancestors used to cook,
Exactly.
and they lived through 200 years. I don't know why it was only 200 years, but
Because after 200 years, all the non-sticks and chemicals came by, that's why. Yeah, that's a good thing.
yeah.
Yeah.
And that is all done.
Actually finished it. Hi, hello, welcome to Ella Bella's Lifestyle channel. Today, I'm gonna be cooking an Indian dish for my friend here. It's a chapati and egg curry. Are you ready?